Well, you might say the preacher's lost his mind. No, I'm not cooking rocks today. I'm cooking a little something different. I've got a bunch of potatoes that I need to cook. And of course, I love to cook in the cast iron, so we're gonna try a little something different today. We're gonna cook it out on the grill, out on the coals, and we're gonna cook a bunch of potatoes. I got a bunch of potatoes going to a bunch of people tomorrow, so we're gonna do it that way. I got the oven tied up right now, and we need some potatoes, so come on along. All right, you thought the preacher lost his mind, I know, but it's kind of funny. I'm a cast iron guy, but I don't have any trivets. So sometimes you make your own trivets, and sometimes you have to do it kind of a funny way. What we're going to do is we're going to cook some potatoes, and we're going to cook them up pretty quick. We're going to cook them up in about an hour. And what we're going to do first, we're going to take some olive oil, and I generally just put it in my hand. We're just going to take these potatoes and rub them down real good with olive oil. You don't have any olive oil, canola oil will do it, doesn't matter. We're going to take and pack these potatoes in here. We've already got our coals going outside. Got our charcoal lit. Like I say, I've got some stuff in the oven. That in there don't feel very good. I'm going to pass on him. I got some stuff going in the oven over here. We just need some more space. But I got some hungry folks that's kind of dependent on me, and if you ever done a little cooking, you understand what I'm talking about. Alright, we're just gonna... Sorry about that, guys, just lost my battery. And but what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little coarse kosher salt in there, about like so. And then those rocks in the bottom, we're going to cover that with water and put our lid on it. And we'll put it on the fire. We want just enough in there to cover those rocks. That'll make us a little steam in there. These will be good to go. So let me take you outside and we'll get this on the fire. Sorry about that, guys. I lost my battery, and then I put a battery in and I lost it too. So we got our fire good and hot. Let's get some coals out of here and get these potatoes cooking. Lay out our coals for the bottom. These are going to cook in about an hour. So it won't take real long. No wind today, that's good. A little breeze, but not nothing major. That's usually a hindrance to your outdoor Dutch oven cooking is it wants to, the wind has a tendency to drop your temperature. I guess we might call these rock potatoes, I don't know. But that ought to do us. Let's take our rock potatoes, put them on there, put them on those coals, and just dump a few of these out here for our top. We're just going to take these and make us a ring of fire, so to speak. I love to cook outside. I love the Dutch oven cook, if you can't tell. But sometimes if you got something cooking in the oven, this is just another alternative. Put you outside, you get to go out, enjoy this beautiful fall weather. Yeah, I know there's some people, like if you lived in New York City, what would you do? My gosh, they won't even let you sneeze up there without finding you or throwing you out. But that ought to do it right there. That ought to cook those potatoes up real good. Potatoes are pretty forgiving if you get them up off. That's why I put the rocks in there. You get them up off the bottom. I hate to tell you, but I had trivets and people kept asking me, needing a trivet. I need a trivet. And I'd find them, and next thing I know, I'd either giving them away or selling them. But there's our setup, and we're going to let that cook for an hour, and we'll bring you back and show you what we got in the end. Well, Smokey barked at the same time I said well. Shall we see what we got? It's been an hour. Ooh-wee, yeah. I'm not gonna set that there. I'm gonna set that right there. Let's see. All of them are perfect. Yeah, absolutely. They got a tough skin on them like a baked potato. And they're done, and on the inside, let me give you a little close up here. You can kind of see they're done. They're real good and done. But the reason I did this was because my oven in the house was tied up. I don't like baked potatoes or my potatoes in a microwave. It just, I don't know, it's something. I like that skin, that crusty skin. But that's a way, if you're tied up in the house, you got the oven tied up, you can always use your Dutch oven. Use it outside. It's pretty easy, it's not bad. So, there you have it. There's some baked potatoes made quick and easy in 1 hour in the Dutch oven outside. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. You know what I mean. I'll be getting in close to 100 subscribers, and I'm going to have a big celebration when that happens. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks, and have a good day.